Hello, this is Christy. If you're struggling to apply the eye contact effect in Descript, maybe you go to effects and it's not there, I have a quick fix for you, and this is the reason you can't find it. I have a composition here with two tracks in a sequence, and I have two speakers. So I want to apply eye contact to one of them, or both, it doesn't matter. But if I click on the effects on the right-hand sidebar, like shown in all the tutorials, if I click this plus icon, you see the eye contact effect is not here. The reason is very simple. You must first select the video you want to apply the effect to, or the layer as it's called. Because my composition here is made from a sequence that has two video files in it, and I need to know which one do I want to apply the eye contact to. Let's say I want to apply the eye contact to my video. I'll have to click on my video in the canvas, and then on the sidebar again, if you go to effects, click the plus icon, there is the eye contact effect. Even though it says beta, it usually works okay. So this is the reason most beginners can't find it, because they have not selected the video first. So I hope this helps. This is a quick tip for you. See you next time.